What's up? This is Pinoy Tech Portal. We're building a 20,000 pesos, all brand new gaming PC. What we're gonna use for picking parts is PC Hub because they have a complete price list. For our first part we're going to go with a Ryzen 5 3200GA 4-core and 4-thread CPU with Vega 8 graphics. And it comes with a Wraith Stealth CPU cooler. The price is 5,160 pesos. For our motherboard we will go with Gigabyte A320MS2HV2. It supports Ryzen 3000 out of the box and has onboard storage for NVMe, PCIe, M.2. Costing us only 2,580 pesos. Next is our storage. We will use an SSD rather than a mechanical hard drive or HDD. It boots faster, launches and runs apps faster. We will go with 256GB Gigabyte Pro SSD, which cost 2,210 pesos. For our memory we will use a 8GB DDR4 3000 Patriot Viper Steel CL16. I only added one stick for future upgrade to a dual-channel 16GB memory. Price is 2,150 pesos. Next is our power supply. Always remember, don't cheap out on the PSU. We chose a 80+ rated power supply, Cooler Master 450 watts V280+ white. Price is 2,180 pesos. Last for our system unit is our case. I chose this case because it comes with a 120mm fan. Techwear Nexus MTG, which cost only 1,650 pesos only. To complete our build we need a monitor, keyboard and mouse. For our monitor, 22 inches in Vision IP22V1 LED, IPS 75Hz. For only 3,750 pesos. You get a IPS panel for more color accurate screen and good viewing angle. Lastly, for our keyboard and mouse, I picked the Gigabyte KM6300, a keyboard and mouse combo for only 299 pesos. Our total build price is only 19,979 pesos.